Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amanda. Today we are filming day 8 of the NYX Lippie Countdown Love Less Disco series here on my channel. If you guys are new, I started this series 2 years ago on my channel. This is the 3rd year I'll be doing it. NYX has been coming out with these advent calendars and I open a new window a day with you guys and create a new makeup look. Today is day 8. It is going up a little bit late. I explain a little bit further in my video what happened. So thank you guys for being so patient and understanding. I always make these intros way too long, so subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. I literally hit the record button and Billy started drinking water. So we look a little bit different today. We're not in our usual, okay, the hands are still orange, so that's the same, but we're not in our Christmas PJs. I have a nose contour. Who am I? Okay, the Instagram filter's inspiring me. I know it doesn't look good. We're working on it, okay? This is all a work in progress. Also, thank you guys so much for being so understanding about this video going up today versus yesterday. I got out of work and it was already dark and the lighting was atrocious and I was like, you know what, no, this isn't good. So you guys were like, just film it tomorrow, don't worry about it, you're fine. So that's what we're doing. You guys are getting 2, actually, you're getting 3 videos today. If you guys head over to my Instagram at AMANDALOUISE, I am uploading my Mandy's Monthly Music Mondays, and that is a new series that I'm doing on my IGTV, and every month, at the end of the month, I am uploading my favorite songs of that month. It was supposed to go at the end of November, however, with like school and everything, it's up now, so I apologize, but check it out. Also, I'm asking you at the end if you want me to do like a Christmas music version for December and post it earlier, like maybe like the 16th or something like that, so let me know about that. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's not in here because I filmed last night. Oh my god, I don't know now. I think it's this one. Today's product is the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Soft Spoken. Okay, so today we have this like purpley, pinky, light, pretty, neutrally color. So to go with this look, I'm going to be doing a purpley, pinky, like smoky-ish eye look. I was attempting this last night. I think I'm going to pop into a few different palettes. I apologize. I honestly hate when I do this because I like you guys to just be able to like stick to one palette and follow it. Obviously, you don't have to do the exact same like palettes that I do. You can like mix and match with whatever palettes you have in the colors that are similar. To be able to give you guys the look that I want to, I feel like I have to do multiple, so. Oh, I'm recording. Okie dokie. So it's, okay, I'm gonna try and stick to 2. However, when I was trying to do this last night, the purpley pigments in these palettes were really not working for me. So we're just gonna hope and pray that it works a little bit better today. I'm gonna try to stick to using the Alter Ego Daydream palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Throwback. This was like my first like expensive like high-end palette. We lacked a throwback. Oh my Lord Jesus. I'm going to start by going in to the Daydream palette, going in with both of these colors one after another, starting with this one and then this one, kind of just all over my lid. Lot of kickback on this palette. That is all I have to say. Next, I think I'm gonna hop into the Modern Renaissance palette in Buon Fresco. I'm just gonna take this on the same brush. I've been using the Sigma E35 tapered blending brush. And I am also just going to be bringing this kind of just all over the lid and into the crease. Both of these palettes have a lot of fallout. I'm just kind of gonna build up these purpley tones by going in with another color. I am gonna be going in with Sunset. Just gonna be using the same brush, and I am focusing this one just more in my crease. Kind of bringing in that pinky tone that I want. Oh my gosh, the fallout. I need those like eyeshadow protection things on my face. Grabbing a brush and just blending out the edges. I need to wash my brushes so badly. They're all like severely stained. Next, I'm going to be going in with my eye shading E55 brush. I'm going to mix Dusk and Daybreak together, and I am just going to try and pack this onto my lid. Oh my gosh, the fallout. Okay. This is basically how I was going last night as well, and I was just trying it out. Okay, the fallout was unreal. I'm just gonna try and keep building this color. I'm gonna have a black eye at the end of it with this fallout. Oh my lord. This is why people do their face makeup afterwards. I understand now. I wasn't wanting to go into the James Charles palette, but I think I might have to because this just really isn't giving me the look I want at all. It's like really patchy, really fallouty, and I'm not getting the purple shades that I want because these aren't super pigmented. Hopefully if I just go in on this eye and not the other one, it'll be fine. Maybe I should do, okay, I'm just gonna kind of use the same colors on this eye that I did, but like it's not working. It's more just I don't want my eyes to look completely different. I feel like I need to hold a tissue underneath my eye. Okay, this is not good. Okay, but now they both basically have the same tones. So I'm gonna dip into my James Charles palette. I'm gonna try and mix a little bit of Benny and Escape. I don't want it to be super bright purple, but I also don't want it to be super dark. So I'm hoping that blending these two together might do the job. I'm going in on this same E55 eye shading brush, and I'm gonna tap this off. Kind of just cover my lid with this. That's more the color that I wanted. I'm blending it into the crease a little bit as well. I'm just bringing this down onto my lower lash line as well. Okay, I'm gonna need to blend this out a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same purple on my other lid. going in back on this eye because the other one ended up a little bit brighter than I had wanted it to be. Oh my gosh, I have never had such a problem with fallout before. I'm losing my mind. I'm going in with my Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. I'm gonna go into Bon Fresco in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I am going to be using this to kind of blend out this harsh purple line. Oh my gosh, the amount of fallout. It's like trashing my makeup. I have quite literally never experienced anything like this. This is not turning out how I wanted it to. I thought I was gonna pick like a pretty simple eye, and this is not it. I just don't even know what to do. I just don't even know what to do right now. I'm beside myself. I'm dipping into Enchanted in this Alter Ego Daydream palette and kind of just like adding some pink up here. I don't really know. This is just not the look I had envisioned. But we're trying to make it work. I'm terrified. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on, and we're gonna take it from there and see what else we need to fix. Okay? All right, we're gonna do that. This is going to be the final look. I like feel not happy with it. I'm also not sure how I'm feeling about this nose contour because all I can see in the camera is a white stripe down my face. So we're gonna leave it to the Instagram filter. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Thanks for struggling along with me per usual. Hopefully at some point at the end of this we'll be better. Maybe in a few years. Maybe when I have more time to practice my makeup, not just on the NYX Lippie countdown days. We'll see. Let's hope so. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Be sure to click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss multiple videos a day during the month of December. My jaw is hurting. If you guys are also not following me on all my social media, be sure to follow me on literally everything. Instagram, I'm posting a bunch on there, and I'm gonna be going live a ton when I'm done with my finals at the end of this week. I also have a Facebook page, which I'm going to be doing a giveaway in for my lovely little fam, so be sure to go and join that. My lovely little fam Facebook page is like the greatest community of people that have ever existed. You guys are amazing. You create like great bonds, like friendships, like you help each other out with everything. I love it. It like melts my heart to see you guys like collaborating, and I just love it. I love it so much. And also be sure to go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well. I tweet all the weird things that happen in my life. I try to tweet back at all of you. I retweet you a lot. Fun stuff. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you endlessly. Until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.